Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off listening exercises in the Duolingo app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Duolingo app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, then tap on the cog icon in the top right corner, then tap on preferences, and here we just tap on listening exercises to turn them off, and we can do the reverse by tapping on the button again and have listening exercises turned on, thereby evolving our English or our language skills more in a more diverse manner. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.